Oh, it's in me. It is in me.
Oh my God.
Why does this happen every time?
Good morning. Today we're gonna go on a hike to Tom's Thumb. It's a hike I've done at least twice before, but this time I'm gonna bring my cousins along with me, and there's a cool Ogre's den there that we're gonna go check out. Now, I've seen it before. It was kind of hard to find. I remember spending like at least an hour looking for it, but we're gonna go on a little adventure and see if these guys can find it, because I'm not gonna tell them where it is. Hi, Grandma.
Hi there. Hi there.
Are the cousins awake yet?
Oh yeah, they're up.
Do you know where we're going?
To Ogre's Den.
That's if you can find it. First you gotta figure out what the trailhead's called. Now, what if I told you can't use your phone when we're there?
Well, just write it down.
Navigate to Tom's Thumb.
Alright, Tom's Thumb Trailhead. Let's go. You're back online. You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 12:22 p.m.
Alright, we better go. Jared, can you point out Tom's Thumb? Because apparently
It's right there.
I don't know where the hell it is.
It's right there.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. You know, the thing that actually looks like a thumb?
Alright, we'll find out.
So you do this a lot to yourself?
Yeah, I do this all the time. I have no idea what I'm doing or where I'm going, so I'm glad you guys trust me. Alright, so we're on the trailhead. Back there is where we parked. And well, I know I said my cousins are with me. You see how I'm already out of breath? Those guys are already just running. I don't know if they're really anxious to try to find this Ogre's Den, or maybe it's because they're just much younger than me and have a lot more energy. So anyways, I should probably go catch up with them. Probably run for like 30 seconds and then take a break. I caught up to them for about 20 seconds, and then they decided to just go again. So I'm just go my own pace. Yeah, go my own pace. All right, while I have you guys, okay, never mind, they're just gonna keep running again. So while I have you guys, how much research did you do on trying to find Ogre's Den?
A few minutes worth.
And how confident are you that you're gonna find it?
75%.
Confident.
Confident?
Yes.
Did you guys also look up Miner's Den?
You didn't tell me to do that.
What's Miner's Den?
But I did see stuff on it.
All right, see if you guys can find that one too.
Confident.
Confident. Believe in yourself. Hoorah!
Hurrah.
Footage of us going up. Carry me up, Jenna. All right, Jared, how far did we say we have to go still?
Roughly 0.8 miles.
And that's to where?
To the place where I think we need to leave the trail to find the Ogre's Den.
So you believe the den is near Tom's Thumb?
No, I think it's off the left side of East End Trail.
East End Trail.
Whatever that is.
All
That's
right.
just what I found online.
Let's see if your sleuthing is better than mine was a couple years ago.
Which one?
Well, the East End is to the thingamajiggy.
Yeah, that's the way we gotta go, I think. And Tom's Thumb is that way, apparently. But that's the Tom's Thumb trailhead.
No, the Tom's Thumb trailhead.
Don't touch it. I don't know why you're laughing.
Again?
Those are.
Really, John? Again?
Oh, it's in me. It is in me.
Oh my god.
Why does this happen every time? Every time. No.
No. We need like something else to grab it with. Don't use your hand. Don't use your hand.
Hold still. No, come here.
The reason
the
why.
bottle.
I trust myself and only me.
The points of those cactuses are so thin you can't see the end of them, and then you end up sticking yourself again. I'm serious. Try this. Giant.
No, it's gonna hurt like a. Ow! It already hurt.
Sorry.
Ow!
Put you back in your plant. I'm glad you're so brave. Like, seriously, Thunder had that happen to him, and he just started. Thumbs. There it is. All right, we made the Tom's thumb. What do you think? Do you think it's better than your thumb?
No.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, if it was a hitchhiker, it hasn't gotten anywhere yet, has it?
No.
It's still here.
Pretty much.
You need a bigger thumb. Better
Yep.
thumb. Get a manicure thumb. Tom's thumb.
Is this it?
Is it what?
Is this the ogre's den?
No, that's not it. Where do you get Playboy water at?
Playboy Mansion? Or Tom's thumb?
These guys have no idea where it's at, apparently. Where he thought it was way back over where Miner's Den is. Same mistake I made. So, little tip, Ogre's Den is near Tom's thumb. So I'm gonna let them try and look around for a little bit. And then I'm probably gonna have to tell them because it took me a long time to find it myself. Here's a tip. If you made it to Tom's thumb, which is over there, it's on the other side somewhere. Hey guys, you over there? Yeah. I see Jenna trying to find it. I see Jared climbing a little tiny rock. That's not it. All right, we just passed by Tom's thumb. So if you are here, you're in the right direction. If you're in between Tom's thumb and this extra little mound, and I think you can see Scottsdale down there, you want to go this way. More specifically over there. They're up there, but they're pretty dang close. Oh, I did it. Woo. Where's Jenna at? Jenna. Did you find it? Oh.
Is this it? No?
No, that's still not it. So, Ogre's Den is to your left. Look at all the rocks out there in the distance. And do you see anything that stands out where it might be?
Yes.
Where?
The black hole?
Could be that underneath that big thing.
Yeah, maybe
That's
it's underneath this
promising.
really big rock.
Is this the den?
Oh no, they changed it. Two of us found the den. It's not the
Pure
same.
protein.
Ooh, I wonder if it's expired. Right nowadays it's just a little box with some letters and pictures, but before it used to be kind of littered with all kinds of, well, not necessarily garbage, but just stuff that people would leave behind. It was kind of a leave something, take something system, but I'm guessing there was just too much garbage, so they cleaned it all up. In any case, still not a lot of people know about it.
October 24,
October 24th, 2000?
17.
Oh.
It's not bad. Jared!
Shh, don't tell them where we are.
Oh, true.
Anyways, it looks like a lot of people don't come here anymore, but I still think it's a really neat, rare location that is fun to explore and find. It's like having an adult treasure hunt, even though there's not very many treasures here anymore unless you want an expired protein bar. Look who decided to join the party. Ooh, whiskey. Yeah. And the good thing about alcohol is it doesn't really expire.
Oh yeah, there's a protein bar too.
Really? An expired protein bar if you want one. Why not?
It's all white.
Yay, nay. I want some. I found it! Jared!
Oh, check this thing out. Wow, that's like 18 bucks. Jenna, did you bring a trinket?
No.
Jared, did you bring a trinket?
Miss Robert.
That's not, Joe's already here, you're just leaving it here still. Oh. I'm gonna leave this little guy here. Bye-bye. All right, we're leaving Ogre's Den. We're leaving Tom's Thumb. We're gonna go see real quick if they can find Miner's Den before we get out of here and it gets dark. Time for some bonus material. We're real short on time, so I'm not gonna make them look around for too long, but we're gonna go find Miner's Den. Let's go. Ah, dang it, they're running again. Why are you guys always running?
Miner's Den.
Wow, Jared found it. He beat us this time.
Oh, that's the dump hole.
Oh man. They cleaned this place out too. Well, Jared did manage to find Miner's Den with very little guidance, but this one's also not populated with random stuff like Ogre's Den, so they cleaned it out as well. There used to be a table here, like a little bedding area, a bunch of sandbags, some old tools, which was really cool to see, and now it's all gone. Kind of sad. But, oh wait, what's that? Something old! A rusty can. Yay! Isn't this amazing, guys?
Yeah, it's
So
great.
cool.
Aren't you guys glad I made you guys check out all the cool stuff that is not here?
Yeah,
Except
it's absolutely fantastic.
this can. Guys, we made it down. We're at the parking lot.
Yep,
What'd you guys think of that hike?
It was alright.
it was good. I liked it.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
You can come with me. You're not allowed. Just kidding. No, is that cool though?
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, it was great.
I liked the alcoves.
Thanks guys for watching. If you come here and want to do this hike, maybe this will be informative to find some of those hidden dens and caves and whatnot. Anyways,
Like it.
if you like the video, be sure to like it. If you want to tag along with more of our adventures, well, my adventures, we'll see if these guys come around again. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you.
Follow.
Follow, all that fun stuff. See you in the next one. You just sit her down and then put her to work.